This episode of Hike in Vicenza will take an easy stroll within the framework of the high Chiampo Valley. Our starting point will be the quaint village of Campodalbero and the nearby Rifugio Bertagnoli. You can leave your vehicle in the parking spot surrounding the building, then take the trail on the right as shown. It'll lead you through beech woods and grasslands up to Campodavanti, which offers a splendid view of the Val di Chiampo. Turn left to reach the Gabellele mouth and enjoy the breathtaking landscape on a sunny day. Keep walking along the footpath, which now changes its name to Sentiero Milani, while enjoying an ever-changing ambience from grass-covered saddlebacks and rolling fields to some striking rocky formations, pinnacles, ravines, impenetrable gorges, and steep slopes of crumbled rock. After a short tunnel, you'll find yourself immersed in the green natural amphitheater at the top of the Val Fraselle. There are several footpaths that'll take you back to the starting point. At this time of the year, the flora is blooming, and it is a feast for the eyes. The whole route takes approximately 4 to 5 hours, and it is suitable for the whole family.